Everyone, welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media marketing tips and tricks. I am Amy Stack, and today I'm going to be going over QR codes and how to generate one quickly and for free. Please remember to like and subscribe to keep updated on current videos. Right now I'm just going to start with showing what a QR code is. I'm not sure if everybody's seen one, so this is an example. Maybe you've seen it and you didn't know what it was called, but these little images are QR codes. The point of them is to be able to link a code, a website, a file, something to it, so when somebody scans on their phone, it will pull up that end source, whether it's a website or a file, whatever it is that you're trying to quickly link to have somebody pull up on their phone or tablet or mobile device. So the reason I'm going over this today is we've been talking about contactless sign-in forms. So I've previously created a Google form. If you want to see the tutorial on that, go ahead and click the card. And at this point, I have my form created. I'm just going to open that tab here. And what we need to do is actually get the link for this Google form. So to do that, if you go in to send, and then click the little hyperlink button here, you'll get a link right there. I'm just going to go ahead and hit copy. And I like to go ahead and test it out just to make sure it looks right. So I've opened a new tab and I'm just going to hit paste and go. And yes, this looks correct. This is what I want the public to see, so I know that that was the correct link. The next thing I want to do is just open a new tab again. I'm just doing a Google search for QR code generator. You can see you have lots of options here. This one that is labeled, the website is the-qrcode-generator.com, is a really simple one that you can use for free without signing up. There are several different ones out there, some you can pay for, and there's a lot of good reasons to have an account. That way you can track everything that comes through that scan, so you can see where the scans are coming from. The portals that have accounts will store those codes for you as well, so if you lose it, you can recreate it. This website that I'm on right now will just allow us to make that quick code and download it. So make sure if you're using this one that you definitely want to save that somewhere on your computer or your Google Drive so you always have access to it in the future. Other QR code generators will allow you to embed pictures or logos in here. Some of them will let you do colors and shapes and add signage like Scan Me or something like that. So you have a lot of options out there. I just wanted to show you a real quick, simple way. So this is just QR code generator. And as I mentioned, I already copied that link from my Google form. I'm just going to paste it right in here. And you can see the code has now changed on the right-hand side. So I'm just going to hit save, and I have the opportunity to name it. And I'm fine using that PNG format, so I'm just going to hit save again. And you can see it's come to the bottom of my computer here, so it is now in my download folder. If I want to take a look at it, I can just click on it, and there is my code. So that is how you generate that QR code. You can use that PNG file on a flyer, something that you print out. You can use it on something digital too if you have a screen that's going to be advertised somewhere, a PowerPoint or something that people can go ahead and scan. So you can, anywhere you can put an image, you can put that QR code. Social media if you want to. And like I said, you can link it to just about anything. So that's how to get a quick QR code. I hope you guys learned something great today, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you later.